And then we want to figure out what this actually means. Okay. So, friends, with what we've taught you is, do we know exactly what the y-intercept is right this very moment? No, why not? You're absolutely right. It's like, Stirrup, I just wanted to say an answer. I had a 50-50 shot. I didn't know a reason needed to come with it. All right. So in order for us to find the y-intercept, we have to have 0 right there. Okay? And 0 is not right there right yet. Right yet. Yeah, Stirrup teaches good math. So how much are these all increasing by, does it look like?
Like 70.
70? 70, you guys?
Yeah.
I like 70. You guys are doing great. So each one of these we're adding 70, agree? And each one of these we're adding 1. What do you think? Is that okay to say that? Okay. So if we went backwards to here, we just subtracted 1. If I went backwards to here, what do I get to?
200.
200, yeah. Do I have the y-intercept now?
Yeah.
I do. So B is the y-intercept. That's going to be 200. Okay. What did we say slope was? What did we say slope was? It was something. It was the what over what? Real close. Flip-flop it. Y over x. So y over x. So what's my y value in green? Look at the green. 70. What's my x value in green? So I have a slope of 70 over 1. So if I went y, my equation is basically y equals 70 over 1, or just 70, plus 200. All right. So what do you feel I should do with 8.5 to figure out what that would be? What should I do with my equation in blue with the 8.5? Make it equal or plug it in for x? Plug it in for x. I love it. So I get 70, I get 8.5, and that's plus 200. All right, so I have a calculator, so I wouldn't expect you to go 70 times 8.5 in your head, and then plus 200. So this is equal to 795. All right, so this scenario says time in hours and distance from home. Time in hours and distance from home. So this might be something where you might be, for your job, have to go someplace. Let's see, what would be about 200 miles away from here? Ogallala? Is that 200 miles?
According to Peterson.
According to Peterson? I don't know which way he's. I'm kidding.
I did 4.2.
Well,
I did 4.2.
I think we all did that together.
Yeah, but it's still missing.
We'll get you.
4.2, you said?
Yeah. Thanks.
Yeah.
Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt.
Don't worry, we're used to it.
It doesn't make it okay, man.
You know, I'm not gonna cry myself to sleep over it.
Okay.
You said 4.2?
Yes.
Okay, it's coming, 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 it's coming. It's in. All right. So this might be, I drove from here to Ogallala, Nebraska. And then on the first day, I had to drive 70 miles for my appointment, or what if I was like a salesman. Then on the second day, I drove an extra 70 miles. So basically, 8.5 days into this, or 8.5 hours into this, I'm now 795 miles away from, I guess my home. Okay. Yeah, where I started. I like it. Do you have everything written down for that one? Can I move to the next problem? All right, here we go. So this is lunch out. And we have X, and we have 0, 4, 8, and 12. And then we have money, so we call that f at x or y. And then we have, y. So we have 460, 380, 300, and 220. All right, so what do you notice about this list that is a little bit different than what we had on the last list?
Subtracts.
It subtracts. Okay, I like it. So we are subtracting for each of these. I like your idea. We'll figure out how much we're subtracting in a minute. That's a great observation. What else do you notice about this chart? Love it. So we're adding by 4s right here. On the other one, we were just adding by 1, weren't we? Okay, so that's a little bit different. Okay. Okay. I have a question. Do we know what the y-intercept is on this problem? Yes. Why? Cookie to you. Mom's cookies. All right, so I know the y-intercept has to be 460 because we started with 0 here. So we have that known, but then we don't know what the slope is. All right, so let's figure this out. How much am I subtracting? From 460 to 380, and from 380 to 300, and from 300 to 220, how much am I subtracting? 80. Good. Subtracting 80 each time. Now we said that the slope was the change in the y direction over the change in the x direction. Agree? So what am I doing in the y direction? This is the y direction. What am I doing? What's the red and the blue? Subtracting how much?
80.
How much am I adding in the x direction? 4? Let's see. I know the answer is going to be negative. How many times does 4 go into 8? Twice. So how many times would 4 go into 80? 20. And it's a negative 20. Ooh. So we can have a negative slope. Agree? Okay. So I think we can figure out our equation, because we know m and b now, so we have y equals negative 20x plus 460. Okay? And then they want us to figure out f at 14. We're going to figure out f at 14. Okay, so let's talk about the context of this problem. It says lunch and then money. Hey, so, here's a big question. I'm on my graph that I have up there, I'm subtracting 80 each time I go down the x. So does that mean my lunch costs $80 per day? No. Our lunch costs $80 for 4 days. So how much did my lunch cost for 1 day? Look at the slope.
It would cost 20.
Yeah, $20 lunch. I don't know if that's an expensive lunch or not, but
It's very expensive for a soup.
That would be an expensive school lunch, right? But I bet you if you went to like Qdoba or Chipotle, I bet you could spend pretty close to that.
Or more.
Or more, that's true.
A little bit more, but yeah.
You know, you think you're getting some for 15 and then you happen to get the queso and the guacamole and they charge you extra for both. You're like, wait a minute. All right, so here's a question.
Why did you look at that here? I'm not.
I'm not. I thought she was blaming me. All right. Hey, what should I do with that 14?
Math stuff.
Okay. At least we got out of the English class. I like this.
Multiply
Where?
20 times 14
So the negative 20 times 14 and?
plus 460.
Yeah. So 20 times 14 plus 460. And, you know, if you had a calculator, you could easily say, okay, I have negative 20 times 14 plus 460. So this gives me
That's negative 28. That's negative 2800.
negative 280.
Yeah.
Just added one too many zeros. All right, so basically what this means is you had, let's say, a debit card or a Venmo. Do restaurants take Venmo? I don't know much about this Venmo stuff. You guys, do they do? Okay. So wait, you have to clarify for me because I'm old. I still pay cash.
Lucky.
Can I put money into my Venmo account? Does it work that way? And then from my Venmo account, I could go to a restaurant and Venmo there, and they would take the money from my account that I put into my Venmo account from that? Is that? So there's like a card, like a credit card type of thing?
It's just like a debit card.
I like a debit card?
It's a debit card that's a different service.
Like pay with at restaurants, and stuff like that.
Thank you for clarifying that for me. Because this is all new stuff to me. I'm old school. I mean, I still got cash in my wallet.
Lucky.
Well, it's not a lot of cash. It's only, $741,312. But, it's a big wallet. No, I think I have like $22 in my wallet.
You have it?
Sure.
Thank you.
Yep. Let me know when you graduate. I'll get it to you. All right. So what does the f at 14 kind of mean in the context of this problem? What do you think? What does that 14? What does this 14 mean? I'm just trying to get the context of it, and hopefully we can figure it out. Well, what does this 14 mean in the context of this problem? And I'll tell you that it has to do with this. But what does that 14 mean in the context of the problem? Is it money? Or is it day? Or lunch is out? What do you think? What does the 14 mean in context? Jackson, what you doing over there, sunshine?
Try.
Oh, okay. Well, I thought you were searching stuff on the internet. What does the 14 mean? What do you think? Just give me a shot. It is? What do you guys think the 14 represents, though? It is X.
What is the X being?
Lunches, yeah. How many lunches is 14? 14 lunches. So if you bought 14 lunches for $20 each lunch, because we found that was the slope, that means after your 14 lunches, if you haven't added any more money into your Venmo, that means you have $180 left in your Venmo. So I guess you can still buy some more lunches because they're only $20 a piece, aren't they? Huh. All right, last one. Hey, did we tell them they have a quiz tomorrow?
Really? Not me. Really?
You're not in class?
Really? I leave at 1 o'clock today.
Oh. Do you want to come see me early? I can get you.
Nah.
Yeah.
I leave like in.
How many questions is it?
370, isn't it? Or we cut it down to 355 questions.
Hold on.
Yeah, so it should be good. All right.
Is there actually a question?
Yes. It's still a 4-letter word. All right. So this one is minimum, and then it's labeled boxes. So friends, do I know the y-intercept right away? No. Why not? You know who's going to nail this on? I think that's the only question I'm going to put on hers. Because you got it. You got it. So I do a 0. Okay, so basically, I'm going up by how many each time here? 4. So in order to go backwards, I would have had to go -4 to get there, right? All right. All right, so what am I doing here? How much am I adding each time or subtracting?
3.
I'm adding 3, aren't I?
Mm-hmm.
So what do I do to go backwards then?
Subtract 3.
And 27 subtract 3.
24.
24. Okay, thank you. Friends, do I know the y-intercept at this point?
Yes.
I do. What is it? It's red. And it's not one of the 3s.
24.
24. Cool. And then my slope, we said the slope is y over x, right? So we're doing this. So I'm adding 3 each time, and I'm adding 4 each time. So my slope is 3/4. Ooh. Okay. I guess that can happen. So my equation is y equals mx plus b, and I know that m is 3/4, and I know my b is 24. Make that a little neater. So f at 156. My goodness, what do you think I should do with that 156?
Plug it in.
Plug it in. Yeah, it goes right in there. So then you're like, but there's a fraction in front of it. Okay. So let's see. 3/4 of 156. So 3 divided by 4 times, 3 divided by 4 is 0.75 times 156 plus 20. That should be a 24, isn't it? I don't know what I wrote. Plus 24. So this comes out to 141. Mr. Robinson, do you remember what the context of this problem was? Peterson made it up.
We kind of were like, if you were a company that had some, like, ship things in boxes like Amazon or something, and you had to make your own boxes, and you had a machine that makes boxes, that machine might make 3 boxes every 4 minutes.
What about machines in a box and it's a box paradox?
In a tree with a box or what? I don't know.
That's heavy.
Drop the mic on the
So you are making 3 boxes every 4 minutes with this particular machine.
Yeah.
Okay. That works. And that means that when you started the day, you still had 24 boxes remaining from the day before, I guess, right?
Yeah.
Wow. All right. Hey, where are we at? What are we doing? What do we got? You guys want to go get ice cream?
Yes.
Okay.
Will you pay for me? I don't got money.
I don't have Venmo,
I
though,
got money.
because I don't know what it is.
I think I got like $4.30.
Huh. So tomorrow we do need to have a quiz. We would ask, please, please, please bring your computer, right? We're doing that, right?
Yep.
So there'll be, it's not a real long one. I think Mr. Robinson created the first part, which is 8 questions, I believe.
8 questions, vocab.
Yeah, there's like vocabulary. Then it's all multiple choice, I believe, right, on yours?
I think I threw a matching question.
Oh, matching. So it's like, okay, I think we can do that. And then I think we're doing just a couple more questions that are similar to these that are actually pencil paper, but I don't think it's going to take the whole period. It might. I mean, we'll probably review a few things. Maybe we'll forget to erase some of the stuff on the board.
Yeah, who do that?
Okay, you got it. All right.